Souffle Oatmeal Dark Chocolate Chip Cookies Recipe. I have a sister, my favorite sister, and her name is Mary. She's adorable, funny, beautiful, and one of the pickiest eaters I have ever known. Mary likes her food as plain as can be, yet extremely flavorful. Seriously, when we go out to eat, she orders everything with nothing on it. I tell her she should just order a glass of water and pay $15 for that because her food is so bland it tastes like nothing. She was really craving cookies one day and I was in the mood for designing a new recipe, so I told her I was going to make her some cookies with all natural ingredients that she wouldn't be able to resist. There was a slight protest from her because she was fearful I would add everything and more to the cookies. I assured her they would be nothing, if not completely natural. As is often the case, because the urge to make up a new recipe often hits me like a bolt of lightning and I drop everything to pursue it at that immediate moment, I had to use whatever was in my cupboard, pantry, and refrigerator. This kind of challenge is stimulating and keeps the creative juices flowing when I'm forced to work with what I have at hand, whether it's 10 ingredients or 4 ingredients. It always ends up rewarding, is never boring, and something good always comes of it. This is the cookie recipe I came up with for Mary and she loves them. She loves them so much she hid them from her family when she got home. Mary called me the next day and said she felt so blessed that I would put out such a labor of love for her. True, there was much love involved, but without a drop of labor. I'd do anything for her as she would, and has, for me. She's my best friend. Do you have a sibling or friend you've loved so much you've created a recipe for that person? What was that person's response when you presented the gift of love and food to her, him? I'd love hearing. Oh, and in case you're wondering what the heck Weetabix is, it's a cereal from England, I believe. It's fiber friendly, very tasty, too. You can get a box at nearly any grocery store. If you can't find it, ask a store clerk. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 2 cups oats, 6 Weetabix, crumbled, 1 large apple, or 2 medium, chopped, 1 cup dark chocolate chips, 1 cup honey, 1/2 cup almond milk, 6 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, butter to grease the baking sheets. Preparation instructions. Preheat the oven to 375. Let it get hot. In a large bowl, beat the 2 eggs. Add the honey, almond milk, lemon juice, and mix well. Add the cinnamon, salt, and mix well. Add the oats, Weetabix, apples, chocolate chips, and mix well. Butter baking sheets. Form the dough, though it isn't a typical cookie dough, into the size cookies you prefer. Don't pack the cookies. Just kind of form them. You should have enough for 12-16 nice-sized cookies. That's what I usually end up with. You can make them any size you'd like, though, to make more or less the amount. Bake in a hot 375 oven for approximately 20-25 minutes.